Yo guys, silverGameOfThrones here. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my silver unboxing. So, what do we have today? I received a package from Monumental Metals, and here we are, the 10 ounce silver bar. It's so small. We are going to compare it with 1 kilo, for example. And we're going to look into this Germania mint. I don't have 10 ounce Germania mint, so I was thinking, like let's add to the, to the company. Then we got a Germania mint, just Germania mint round. Germania mint around 1 ounce silver round, which is very strange. They have all these companies, Germania, Italy, others. Germania oak, and this is just Germania round, okay, 2021, okay, but I collect them. And we got one more to my collection, which is Kookaburra. Man, this piece is beautiful. We're going to see all these Kookaburras, okay, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to start from Germania 10 ounce bar. I'm huge. I'm probably one of the biggest YouTube 10 ounce bars collector. As Silver5150 said one day, the silver game of bars. Germania mean 10 ounce. I don't know, guys, but it looks like so small. First of all, it has the same attributes as a biggest bar. It wrapped in this plastic, and it has this logo, very beautiful logo. It's just you can understand it's not a fake, right? But let's compare with 1 kilo bar, which I have on my table. I mostly buy 1 kilo bars. Just compare. So this one. 32.15, if I'm not mistaken. 32. So there are supposed to be like around of 3 bars, which can, match to this bar. So 3, little bit more than 3 bars of this supposed to match this. But okay, it look like the same. They are the same white. One. Yeah, probably 1, 2, 3, yeah, more or less, yeah. But somehow when you look into this 1 kilo, it's definitely like, wow. And this was like, what is this small piece? Yeah, but yeah, it has 680, 680, my identification number. And all the rest is basically the same, it's just the size. 9999, oh, it's only 39, and this is 49. Huh, very interesting. This is 39 and this is 49, okay? Another difference I found. Logo and all this, it basically is the same, it's just smaller. And the this paper, it's basically the same. If you compare, 1 kilo and yeah. So, I don't know. I just keep stacking these bars because I like them. I have a lot in my collection, probably 50 different 10 ounce bars. And when I see, some nice, pure and, respectable company, I just buy it, okay? You cannot go wrong with Germania mint. And another question I ask it, why they are so cheap, right? Why they are so cheap? And I check that pure silver. But they are, between all other bars, they're even cheaper than, than some generic bars, impressed, okay? Good job, Germania mint, okay? Sorry, let's go next. So next one is Germania. So it came with this, certificate, official coin Germania mint certificate. So 5 marks, 2021, 9999, 4 nines, 38mm 1 ounce. This release is limited to 25,000 only. Yeah, and the certificate authentic Germania mint. They call it Germania round. Okay, so what do we see here? if you look here, what we see here? We see Lady Germania, right? What they say is this one of these elements in this route where Lady Germania is seen in action for the first time abroad, a ship leading here people at sea. So it kind of Lady Germania on ship, leading people at sea. Another exciting changes that they have 2-ounce, 10-ounce with a limited mintage of 2500 and 1000 respectively. Yeah, but you know, if you ask me, I mostly like this, the obverse. This is the obverse, right? I like this obverse because it contains a mainstay H, two-headed H, is a Roman mythology symbol associated with Janus, the god of all regional, guardian of doors, gates, passages and bridges, the patron of contact and alliances. He's facing the opposite direction, symbolizing the past and the future. You see the past and the future. Yeah, I like this. You know, when you compare with this Lady Gaga, you know. Oh my God, like this ugly face with ruling this world, Lady Elizabeth. Yeah, so very nice round, and you know, I collect them all, you know. So I just show you that I have this Lady Germania. Lady Germania, here we go, the Lady Germania corner. Yeah, this is what we have, Lady Germania. So I have a bunch of these rounds, you see. This is a Lady Germania, Italy. This is another one, Allegories. Yeah, this is Allegories. This is Lady Germania. I don't even remember, 2019, very cool piece. Yeah, this is Germania 2020. I don't know which is set release because they have so many different releases, right? This is another Allegories. Probably they have 2 or 3 of them, you know. I need to make an order. They have Allegories, they have just round, and there is this oak, another one, Lady Germania, oak leaf, all kind of leaves. So just need to understand, this is another Allegories. Yeah, this is another leaf, which kind of, I don't even remember, I need to find out some of the oldest one. Yeah, this is another one. Man, but they're all beautiful, they're high quality, you know, high quality rounds, so I do collect all of them, you know. This also Germania, I mean, the Gagarin, you know, the spaceman, the first man in space, you know. I don't know why. They are not selling well. I saw they still have it, but you know, this Soviet Union piece, also beautiful. They still sell it, have it for sale, okay? So this going in here, Germania Mint, just Germania Mint, okay? So one more to my stock, okay? Stay tuned. And the last one, Kookaburra. I am huge fan of these Kookaburras. This one, I probably the most beautiful between all years. You know, they finally start to recognize that the bird is more important. And you know, now they were coming from small birds, bigger, and now it's really big bird, really big one. You know, and which is good. And this ugly face on the, you know, on obverse, we expect, right? So I have all. I don't have full collection, but I have huge collection of this Kookaburra, and I'm huge fan of this, you know. I believe it's Perth mint, I'm not sure which mint is it, but it's Australia mint for sure. Yeah, so this Kookaburra, you see, I have maybe up to 2008, you know. This all Kookaburra, you know. 2-3 coins I like, I most, you know, in my collection. This is koala, of course, which I like, Kookaburra, and also Australian eagle, you know. They are also beautiful pieces, you know. You cannot go wrong with Australia coins, I'm telling you. And I rarely see any milk spot on Australia coins, so they know how to make coins. Yeah, so you see we have, yeah, this Kookaburras, and they have Kookaburras privy, you know, like, you know, one day maybe I'll go through all my collection, but this just, you have ideas. It's 2019, Yeah, this is 2000. This again, previous. I collect, most of them with the previous. When prices were right, I mean, right, like around 20 bucks, I was buying them. Literally 20 bucks, 20, 22, 23 dollars. Now these days you pay like 30 bucks. But still it's decent, guys, Once it will be 50 bucks, then you will complain. Still today, 30 bucks, I think it's okay. And I just compare, this piece to this piece. I think that, it's a little bit bigger now, right? This is 2021, and this is 2022. And, this is the way how you recognize it's not fake. You see the colors like white and black, you see? Like a glossy black, right? This is the way you recognize it's not a fake. Because if it will be Chinese fake, it will be not a really black. It will be like a white black, without this glossy look. It will be. You will see that it's a fake. So, yep. So the kookaburra. Okay, guys. If you like, subscribe, hit notification, put your comments, and tell me what do you think. Is not a beauty to have such a collection? Probably like 100 coins here in this box, and you have the most of the swans and the, what is this? The dolphin. The most. This the goats. I like this collection, and this is like probably one of the best. What I own. And kookaburras, you see, that's all kookaburras, you see. I don't know how deep I go, don't remember. Oh, 2008, you see. 2008, 2010. Yeah, so I go as deep as 2008. And in every year I have probably 1, 2, 3, depends on, if you have some previous. This is how they look like in 2010. You see, this is 2011, 2012. You cannot go wrong with kookaburra. They are so lovely coins. This is 2014. Yeah, so one of the best in my collections, kookaburras. Okay, if you like, subscribe, hit notification, all the best. Happy Sunday, bye-bye.